So guys, if you want to take the backup before to install your operating system, new operating system in the MacBook Pro, suppose sometimes you have issue in the MacBook Pro, it is not booting. In my case, I am having 2014 model of the MacBook Pro, but I am having the latest operating system. How it is possible? It is not possible by default. Actually, by default, max to max high Sierra it will go. But I was using Open Core Legacy Patcher. Using that, it is available in my old MacBook Pro with the latest operating system. But yesterday I found one issue. I come to one issue. Yesterday one release came 14.5 in the MacBook. But Open Core Legacy Patcher is not ready. Usually Open Core Legacy Patcher get ready. Then yesterday I tried to actually once you have the legacy patcher and Apple release any operating system, so it takes around max to max 1 week time legacy patcher to be ready to install the latest OS. But without I have not wait actually 7 days. Today in 1 day only I tried to install by mistake, and it's got stuck. While installing it is okay, but while rebooting it got stuck. After 80% it is not moving next that booting screen. Then I did some R&D, and then I means I have to install through the time machine only. Time machine 1 week ago I have taken. So what about the data between 1 week ago and 2 days data? So for that I applied one brain. I apply brain and I put my hard disk. You can see I put hard disk in the laptop, and then I went to the disk utility. I'll tell you how to go into disk utility. Usually by putting the command and R button you can go, but in the legacy patcher you don't go. You cannot able to go by that option. I'll tell you later in how to go there. So what I did, I went to the legacy patcher disk utility, and then you can see here my hard disk. This one is my external hard disk, and this is my internal hard disk. And in internal hard disk, whatever data I have as a software engineer, whatever data I have saved, I am going to take, and I can copy from here, and then I'll paste in the new hard disk, external hard disk. So in this case, what is the benefit? I will not miss I will not lose any data, because I am going to copy and since 1 week ago time machine data I already have, so time machine I will reinstall, and between 1 week data whatever I have taken the backup I will put there, so everything will be like brand new. Going to the Macintosh SD, then application, then I am going to MAMP, then here are all my data in the inside SD docs. This is all the project I will keep backup. So for that, very simple, I have to keep here, and I have to go to the option here, edit, and I have to copy, and then I have to paste it here. So for the recovery you have to come here, file, new image. I think you can able to see. Oh sorry, here it is. File, new image from folder. Then it will come here. It will appear like this. It will. If it not appear like this, then it easily you can go in your volume. Don't select down one down. This is don't. You be ready. One is source, one is target. External hard disk is 9844, and internal is volume. So I am going inside the volume. Then inside volume I have many hard disks. I have 5 hard disks, SSD 2 and normal hard disk 1. So I am going to select this one, and you can see all the hard disks will show here inside the volume. This is external hard disk, just now I put, and others are internal hard disk. So internal hard disk I will select Macintosh SD. There I have important data, application, then I have to go MAMP, then I have to select MAMP SD docs, and then I have to select SD docs full data. Choose, click on the choose button, then you have a new pop-up will come. it will ask htdocs. Okay, htdocs save as htdocs, no problem. But where don't select MAMP, you select the external hard disk. This is, I am going to select external hard disk and then save, and then no inscription, image format, compressed format, yeah, because compressed is zip format, no, so this is good only. That's all. DMG format actually by default, and save. It will take some time based on the size. My data is around 10 GB and it will save. That's all. Easy. You can see it is taking backup. It is around 10 GB, so it is around 5 minutes still going on. So I will come in another video once backup is done. Thank you. And one interesting thing is there, I called 3 people today in Bangalore, 3 engineers, and then I asked it is possible or not take the backup if I install. So this guy was saying no, it is not possible. Even I cannot install through the time machine, because time machine you are having 14.1 and by 2013 model supports only high Sierra, so it is not possible. So I thought, okay, not possible, then at least backup you can take. So he said backup also, no one can do backup. I show that recording also. No one can do in the world that backup. You are not, it is not available backup. And if it is like this kind of problem. So this is the challenge for them. I am taking backup and I'll show the backup also in next video. I have taken backup, it is working or not. It is just going on process. So still in problem only, but I hope 50% problem solved. And if I believe, so 50% remaining 50% also will be solved in few hours. But one more thing, I asked the charge for install the new OS. So he was saying 3,500, something around $100 US dollars. So this is also, see, they are saying not able to do, go for old OS and then pay $100, then only you can able to do. So everything, and not only OS installation, important, I am taking my backup data also, data backup, nothing will going to lose, as if God help, then I will show you. You can see my backup is done successfully. Now I am going to the next process. If you want to verify your data is saved or not successfully while copy, so you go to the image and then click on the verify, then it will show a new screen, and there you can see your folder, hard disk folder. Here I have kept the data, no, so I click here and you can see my htdocs data is there. Htdocs just now I copy, no, 10 GB data, so it is there. DMG format I said, and documents data I have everything. So this is nice only, no, documents data is there and htdocs data is also there. htdocs 16 GB after compress, and documents data also 14 KB after compress. So yeah, it is copy. Now I am going to show you how to take another backup so you can understand better. This is the second backup video I am going to show you. So for that you need to go to the file and you need to go file and then new image, then you have to click second option, first option file, first option new image. In new image you can see second option image folder. You click on the image folder, then one pop-up will come here, and then pop-up you select the source. So I am going to select, I already said I have so many hard disks, in internal, one external. So external first one, there I am going target, source is the internal Macintosh SD, then I am going to the users, then I am going to the Jai Bharat, this is my name, then I am going to take the documents. Here I have many important data to backup. So this I need to backup. I selected this one, I click on the choose option, choose button, cancel and choose. So documents, choose. In this I am going to select the backup. Then again this is actually one call came. So here I am going to take the backup. So it is asking which name you want to save. So I don't want to change the name. Okay, I will change the name, documents backup. Okay, and then where, so I am going to select the target folder. I said external hard disk, I will select here. So I am going to select external hard disk, and then by default I am leaving as it is. Encryption no, image format compressed, so compressed data will save, DMG format I think. So I am going to save, yes. And one important thing, usually you can clean the external hard disk, erase the data, but I have not erased because in external hard disk I was having previous data also, so I am not feeling to erase, but you can, you may not. I have around 1 TB hard disk, around 500 used, 500 free, so I can able to save everything. It is saving. I think it will take again 5 to 10 minutes because very big size. So still it is working because it is around 500 GB, that folder size. So, and one more thing I want to say, in between it will show progress bar not move, but once you hit the enter button, it will go latest updates, like 50% was there, 30%. If I hit enter button, mouse will not work, hit enter button only will work, mouse will freeze because it is copying, that is the reason. Hit enter button, it will go to the latest update, so latest update is around 70%. So now I am going to hit enter button. It's not matter where you are hitting enter button, where is the cursor anyhow it is freeze. Only the matter is you have to hit enter button, then you will see one impact. Right now around 80% green, after hitting it must change. Oh, see, it is saying done. So that is the impact of that.